Hello everyone, this is Kahoblog's YouTube channel. In this video, I'm unboxing this box, Sailor Promenade Shining Red Color, and share the first impression. というわけで、今日はこれを開封していきます。前回の動画でお話をしたプロムナードのシャイニングレッドで F2 部です。というわけで早速開封していきます。Then let's get started. で、箱を開けて、で、これはいつものセーラーの箱ですね。ただ、思ったより暗い色で、こう手元で見ると上品ですごくいいですね。Let's see, it is a little darker than I assumed, but I like this color. 視界に入った時に優しい感じの色なので好きですね。Let's see, I'm sharing the body color and the surface of this pen. And actually, I have shining blue color. This is a comparison with shining blue and shining red. In shining blue, many shimmerings can be looked. In contrast, much less shimmerings can be looked on the surface of shining red. And so I always think that buying red things is so difficult because red is called for many colors. For example, vivid color one or bright color one, or similar to orange color or a darker one. So, but it is the most favorite types of red color for me. So, in my opinion, it can be used everywhere in business scenes as well as private. And then I screw the cap. Tada, this is the nib. I like the contrast of the nib color and the red color of the grip section. Let's see, the left one is shining blue and the right one is shining red. The left one is saturated a little because I'm using it with ink. They look the same color, I think. And this is a comparison of the pen point sizes. The left one is medium nib and the right one is fine nib. Now I'm filling it with ink, and today I'm using empty cartridge and Seiboku bottled ink. Let's see. Okay, and this is the syringe of the maintenance kit of Sailor. I'm looking forward to writing so much because it is the first fine nib pen of Sailors. And then insert the cartridge and attach the barrel and the cap posted. Okay, let's do the test writing. Oh, the lighter color, I assumed. Very smooth. And very comfortable. Oh, it's good fountain pen. Let's see. And this is my Pro Gear with Seibok ink and the medium nib. Oh, great. Both are great. Oh, it looks the different inks, but they are the same ink. Of course, the medium nib is more smooth, but the fine nib is very smooth. The line is thinner than I assumed, and it is okay, but I want another Promenade with medium fine nib. I'm doing test writing of a new fountain pen, and now I want another pen. Because the line is a little thinner than I expected, I can use it for my schedule. It may be good for me. And this is my extra fine nib of Sailor, which is thicker. Oh, the extra fine nib is thinner. 安心した。The ink cartridge is almost empty, so I clean it. Let's see. I like the combination of the nib color and the red color of the grip. The nib of the Promenade is light pale yellow color, and it looks similar to orangey color, and because the red color is next to the nib, so it is very gentle, soft color. So it is I assumed it looked more gorgeous, I thought, but it is very soft and comfortable one. なんか寄り添ってくれるような優しい万年筆ですね。というわけで大切に使っていきたいと思います。買ってよかったです。思ったより落ち着いた色でした。That's all for this video. Thanks for watching and see you again in my next video. というわけで次の動画までまたね。